Okay. Do I have anything in my teeth?
No.
Is anyone watching it?
One person.
One person.
There's 2 people.
There's 2 people.
3 people.
3 people. Hi. How are you guys going? How's isolation?
4 people.
4 people. Wonderful to see you all.
Tonight on the show.
Tonight on the show. Oh, thanks, Dad. It's our first ever edition of Grace's Mystery Bevs. You may be wondering, what is this goddamn show? Well, let me tell you. Actually, wait. Let me show you. We have all these beautiful ingredients here. Come closer. Let's have a look. Wow. All these beautiful ingredients. We've got some fresh fruit. We've got an array. They're organic. We've got an array of spirits, a makeshift cocktail shaker, and all these glasses. As you can see, there's a lovely board here. I wonder what this is for. Well, let me tell you. To every cocktail, there's 5 elements. The glassware, the spirit, the mixer, the way it's stirred or prepared, and the garnish. What you have to do is place any number from 1 to 4 of your choice in the comment section. And the first one my sister sees will be chosen off the glasses column, and we'll be choosing a glass. It will be either glass number 1, 2, 3, or 4. Go. Tell me number. Any number. First comment. First number that my sister sees. See a number. There's no numbers yet. Okay, guys. The maths is hard for me too. Let me help you. It goes 1. The number after 1 is 2. The number after 2 is 3. You give me a number, and I'll make the cocktail.
Lily said 3.
Lily said 3. Lily Slater. The glass we are using is a champagne flute. Now, to all of you watching at home, you may think that a champagne flute goes like this. Well, it doesn't. It goes like this. Cheers. So this is the glassware that we're going to be using today. A champagne flute. Excellent choice, Lily Slater. Now, why did I get my ice out of the freezer? And top this baby up. Column number 2 is the spirit of choice. Now, very, very, very important decision here. You're gonna shape the entire cocktail. Any takers for spirit?
Oh wow, there's lots of numbers coming in now.
Okay, first number Mum sees is what?
1 was mine.
Okay, so the spirit we are using is shitty vodka. My personal favorite.
Mitchell says number 4.
Mitchell Phelan. Hi Mitchell, how are you going? I'm sorry you missed this chance. My mum got in first. Too bad. If you want to come closer, this is how we're going to prepare this one. Now I think there's roughly that's enough. Probably like 1 standard drink, that's enough. Wow, excellent start to the cocktail, everybody. So, shall we move on to column number 3 for a mixer?
Joshua,
ready?
number 4.
Josh says number 4. Okay. Ooh, this is going to be a nice cocktail. We have pine coconut juice. Remember, guys, before opening any juice bottle, shake it first. I'm going to pour this on. Okay, let me just not pour it first, because the next step is preparation technique. Maybe that affects the way we do it. Okay. Before we go ahead and add all our ingredients, we know we're using pine coconut juice, but how are we going to prepare it? Any takers for column number 4?
Daniel Nicholson has said number 4, please.
Number 4 from Daniel Nicholson. We're going to just pour it all together and do not stir. Yum. And we're almost finished with this cocktail. Not really a cocktail, but you know what? I'm going to be pleased if this is nice. Last and final column. The decider of the way this cocktail will end up.
Ben.
Who is going to give us our lucky last number? We've got who's going to give us our final number and really make this cocktail a yay or a nay. Ready, set.
That would be Ben Grace.
Ben Grace.
Ben has gone for number 3.
Number 3 from Ben. We have a sprig of rosemary. Hot diggity dang. Wow, guys, that is the entire cocktail. Let's see if it tastes nice without being stirred at all whatsoever. Alrighty.
Shitty food.
It's like, no, it's, well, it's, how's it got this in it? I don't hate it. And now, this wouldn't be an episode of Grace's Mystery Bevs if I didn't give this bad boy a name. And I'm gonna call it the Lily, Melinda, Josh, Ben, and Daniel. Mitchell?
Correct.
That's what I'm gonna call it. The Lily, Melinda, Josh, Ben, Daniel, Mitchell. That's 6. We did it, okay. Thank you everybody for tuning in. That was truly a wild ride. But wait, we have all these ingredients left for next week. So what will it be? I'll leave that up to you. Good night, Australia.